Welcome back to our Space-tastic channel. Today, we have another super exciting topic, comets. First things first, do you know what comets are? Well, you can think of comets as giant space snowballs made of ice, dust, and rocky material. They are like cosmic race cars flying through our solar system. Comets have two main parts, the nucleus, which is the solid core, and the coma, a glowing cloud of gas and dust that surrounds the nucleus. When comets get close to the sun, the heat makes them release gas, which is why they look like they have a beautiful tail. Comets don't just fly around aimlessly. They follow orbits, and some come from places that are very far away, like the distant Oort cloud, which is way out in the outskirts of our solar system. Others come from the Kuiper belt, which is a bit closer to home. Because they travel so far, it can take many years between each time they are visible to Earth. Because it's rare, people look forward to watching them and have given them names. Some have become famous visitors in the past, like Halley's Comet, which swings by Earth every 76 years. Did you know that some comets have been around since the birth of our solar system? And get this, their tails can stretch for millions of kilometers. So how can you catch a glimpse of these cosmic wonders? Keep an eye out during meteor showers or use a telescope for a closer look. Who knows? You might spot a comet on its epic journey. Well, that's a wrap on our comet adventure. I hope you had as much fun learning about comets as I did sharing these space secrets with you. Until next time, keep reaching for the stars.